Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Truckee local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the worry out of your move, our professional movers make your long-distance move much simpler. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, our team can assist. With us, you get all the right moving services to make relocating so much easier. If you're looking for a general move or a full-service move, we offer all the options you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be easy to reconcile the price of getting a California moving company. However, after a close look at the major benefits of hiring a local moving company, you are likely going to find that it's well worth it. You gain the benefit of saving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. Movers can also make sure you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our moving crew can make it easy to reach your new location without nearly as much stress. If you want an efficient moving day, 3 Movers is the proper decision for you. Moving locally may be very fast, and our crew can handle even a big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Truckee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.